Technology changes fast, so anything we recommend could be obsolete quickly. Communicating with others and sharing stories will continue regardless of what technology you use or how it changes. These software and hardware recommendations are just one way to share stories and communicate. These software recommendations offer good quality sound. As a beginner, we recommend that you not overcomplicate the process with expensive software, especially when you're just learning how to create podcasts. This is about easy, cheap, and accessible. Basic recording software. The best free recording software of 2023. We recommend Zoom, Treble, Audacity. Advantages to these free software: for Zoom, works on a PC and a Mac, offers good quality sound, and records audio and video. Treble works on a PC and a Mac, no installation is required, and records audio. Audacity works on a PC and a Mac, and records and edits audio. And all of these are easy to learn. Recording on your computer. Multiple participants? Use Zoom. The quality is good and it allows up to 100 people to join the conversation. If you like Zoom and want more advanced features, you can buy the software later. But it's free, easy to use, straightforward to learn, and it captures both audio and video. Zoom generates MP4 audio and video files. An inexpensive option for your computer is Reaper. It records and edits audio files and works on a Mac and a PC.
Intermediate recording software. Here are some suggestions for intermediate recording software. Riverside FM is an online recording software for audio and video. It's used directly on your computer or mobile app, and it records and uploads your episodes. Or Squadcast, which is an online recording software for audio and video. It's used directly on your computer or mobile app. It records and uploads your episodes for you, and it offers a free trial.
Basic recording hardware. This project is about easy, cheap, and accessible. It's not necessary to spend a lot of money on hardware either. To start, you need a device to record on and a microphone. That could be a cell phone, an iPad, or a computer, or a laptop. Most devices come with good recording equipment. You may not need to purchase anything. Record a few sound files to your device using Zoom and listen to the quality. Remember, sound quality is affected if you stand too far from a device. Now, the microphones. There are several types of microphones. Dynamic microphones, less high frequency response, less overall sensitivity, which can be a good thing if it's a noisy environment. Condenser microphones have better high frequency response, but they're not ideal in noisy environments. There are three connectors: a 1/4-inch mono jack, there's an XLR connector, and a USB connector. More on microphones. Mono jacks and XLRs must be plugged into an interface or mixer first, then plugged into a USB connector on your computer. USB mics can be either dynamic or condenser, but are designed to plug directly into the USB port on your computer. But this limits you to one microphone at a time. And finally, on microphones. A field recorder is easy to transport to interviews than a laptop, and most double as a USB mic if you need them. Want more advanced options? Visit Module 7.
Oh, everyone's got stories to tell.